We all know about climate change, and I hopefully don't have to convince you that climate change research is important. Carbon dioxide is a major greenhouse gas, the levels of which in the atmosphere are set to steadily increase over the coming years. Happily, forests may help to mitigate this effect as they can act as a carbon sink, taking in carbon dioxide through photosynthesis before it reaches the atmosphere. This carbon can then be stored within the system until it's released through processes such as burning or decomposition. However, this increased carbon may affect how plants grow, which could upset the delicate forest ecosystem, and in turn, change how much carbon continues to be captured. This means that in order to make accurate predictions about climate change, we need to understand the effect that elevated carbon dioxide has on the world's forest. My PhD is funded by the Birmingham Institute of Forest Research, which has set up an exciting experiment in an oak forest in Staffordshire, dubbed a sci-fi forest by a recent BBC article. Rings of towers within the woods raise the level of carbon dioxide in a focused area to that predicted for 2050, allowing for direct observation of the effects with minimal disturbance to the ecosystem. My project is focused on the root systems, which is a key plant organ difficult to observe non-destructively. So to collect my data, I use mini rhizotrons. These are clear plastic tubes sunk into the ground. This allows for roots growing up against the tube to be imaged over time using specialized camera equipment. Root systems may appear complex and varied, but they're actually produced by a deceptively simple set of growth and branching processes. The shape of the root system affects what nutrients the plant can obtain and may be directly related to what's going on within the plant and the soil. I'm interested in how elevated carbon may affect this root system architecture. And so I'm also producing mathematical models of root systems and looking at how parameter values such as growth rate, and branching point locations can simulate the root systems that I'm observing in real life. Combining this approach with what we're learning from Bifor, I hope to make accurate predictions about the effect of elevated carbon dioxide on root systems and make my own small contribution to wider climate change research.